Okay, so now for your activity in music, you're going to answer this one. I'm going to send the file document on our GC, okay, on our group chat. Okay, so now the name of the activity is name that note. So you're going to look at the stuff, identify, locate, and draw the pitch name. Pitch name of G clef. G clef po ito. We discuss about F clef and we discuss also about the G clef. So ito po, G clef po ito. Later on, after this is send ko naman po yung regarding sa F clef if you have extra time. Now, so based on the given table, then write the corresponding solfa syllables. Solfa syllables in C major. So these are the C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So if you're going to remember that, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ayun po ang solfa syllable. So you're going to complete the table here on table here below, provided po yan, and then so titingin po tayo sa pitch name. So for number 1 we have letter G. Letter G, you're going to locate where is the G. Okay po, either 1 2 3 4 5 lines or 1 2 3 4 spaces. Doon po natin siya ilalagay. Okay, and also so ayan, line or space numbers, line number 1, line number 2, or and so on so forth, and then space number 1, number 2, so on so forth, and then the position of the stop, first line, second line, or so on so forth, and then first space, second space, and then go so on so forth. Okay, ayan po siya. So here you're going to observe the pitch name is complete because dito kayo magbe-base, okay, kung saan nyo siya i-drawing. And then here also sa line and space provided po yung mga clues, okay? And then solfa syllables, ayan. So you're going to complete the table. So if you have any questions regarding about this, so kindly chat me in our group chat. Okay po ba? So that's all. If you're going to do this in your wait, sorry. So you can do this, you can draw, you can write it on the paper, or if may printer sa bahay, you can also print this one, okay? Thank you. If you have any questions regarding about this, kindly message me on our group chat. And then after you finish this one, kindly send it through DM, personal chat, okay? Wag sa GC because baka makita ng ibang classmate. So by the time allotted on our meeting, you're going to answer this within 1 hour, no? Kapag wala pa rin nasisend sa akin by 1 hour, so wala pong activity, okay? Thank you.